Hi, I'm Brian Fleming. I'm a commercial real estate broker. Recently, I had the introduction to RPost through an issue that arose in the normal course of my business. We email more and more every day. We email letters of importance. We email just about everything, contracts, proposals, offering memorandums, and we need verifiable proof that not only was the email delivered, but we also need verifiable proof of the contents of the email. And that was a significant advantage that I thought it held over my standard practice was using FedEx or UPS or one of the overnight couriers for delivery. The issue there is that it's very easy for someone to claim that what was in the package was not what I sent. And I was looking for a better method. In my line, everything has to be reduced to writing. No matter what it is, everything is reduced to writing. And I found a significant advantage using RPost. There's also a significant advantage in the cost savings. On average, I was spending anywhere between $12 to $15 for an overnight package. That's really kind of cost prohibitive when you're talking about registering everything that there is to send to a client. So I found that with RPost, there's not only verifiable proof of delivery, but there's also considerable cost savings. I thought so much of the product that I introduced 1,600 commercial brokers with our firm who are stationed around the country and in Canada to the benefits of using RPost. I can't tell you how the response that I got back from the other brokers in my firm, how delighted they were to learn of it, because we all face very similar challenges in delivering email communications to clients. It's also great if you have a contentious matter with a client, wherein you need to notify that client and put them on notice, essentially, of your intentions as a broker. I've had many people tell me when they get an RPost, they are inclined to open it immediately, simply because of the way that it's presented to them. And that's my story for RPost.